ENNHRI's working groups bring together the network's members to tackle Europe's most pressing human rights challenges, while providing a platform to undertake common initiatives and engage in human rights at the regional level. Climate change is one such issue. It is impacting on our most basic human rights. It is threatening lives and livelihoods, and it is deepening inequalities. NHRIs are engaging on this critical topic through ENNHRI's climate and legal working groups.
The European Convention on Human Rights is one of Europe's key legal instruments for safeguarding human rights. Currently, it does not explicitly recognize the right to a healthy environment. However, the European Court of Human Rights is examining at the moment cases involving the issue of climate change and the protection of human rights. Its ruling will be hugely significant. The judges may decide if a state's failure to meet its obligation to fight climate change violates key rights under the European Convention.
In 2022, ENNHRI submitted third-party interventions to the court in some of these major climate cases. Numerous NHRIs from ENNHRI's climate and legal working groups contributed to their development. Subsequently, in 2023, ENNHRI was granted the rare opportunity to speak before the court's Grand Chamber in 2 cases. The Norwegian NHRI represented ENNHRI in both cases.
Few people have it in their power to change the course of history. You do. On behalf of all national human rights institutions in Europe, ENNHRI urges the court to use its power to protect vulnerable individuals against escalating and irreversible climate harm.
Beyond this, ENNHRI regularly gives input to the Council of Europe's drafting group on human rights and the environment. This includes advocating for a legally binding right to a healthy environment. Thanks to such contributions, the Council of Europe has formally acknowledged the essential role of NHRIs in tackling human rights issues related to climate change.
Europe stands at the crossroads. Will the European Court of Human Rights apply basic human rights safeguards to counter climate change and its increasingly drastic impacts? Will the Council of Europe adopt a binding instrument on the right to a healthy environment in Europe? Whatever happens, ENNHRI's climate and legal working groups will continue putting NHRIs and their voice at the forefront of human rights and climate action.